Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with VWO for experimenting with UI conversion improvements, full guide step by step. To begin your journey with VWO, first, visit the official VWO website. On the home page, look for the Sign Up button, typically located at the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form that requires your email address. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password that meets the security requirements. After filling in the required fields, click on the Get Started button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from VWO. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once you've confirmed your email, return to the VWO website. Log in using your registered email address and password. Upon logging in, you will be prompted to choose a plan. Explore the available pricing options and select the one that best fits your needs. Once you've chosen a plan, proceed with the payment process. Enter your payment information and confirm your purchase. With your account set up, you can now navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, you can create your first experiment. Select the Create option to begin setting up a new A/B test. You will need to enter the URL of the web page you want to test. VWO will load your web page for customization. Use the visual editor to make UI changes as needed. Once you are satisfied with the changes, click on the Next button. Define your target audience and set the traffic distribution for the test. Choose the metrics you want to track to measure the success of the experiment. After configuring all settings, click on the Start Experiment button. Your experiment is now live, and you can monitor its performance through the dashboard. Review the results regularly to analyze the impact of your changes. Make data-driven decisions based on the findings to improve your UI further. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.